Unfortunately, most people don't realize why they're not selling well on Etsy. And actually, it's a very simple fix. So, on this video, I'm going to show you how to actually convert better, make sure you get those sales for your Etsy listing. So, check this out. Okay, so I'm on Etsy as usual, and I've just typed in mug design. Now, this can be applied to any product, anything that you're actually selling. Now, the first thing that you see is these beautiful images. Now, a lot of these are also actually videos which are helping to sell the product. So as I come down, I can see a lot of these are videos and they are actually helping to sell the product. So I'll give you an example. If I just hover on this one here, which is a bestseller, this is a video which is showing you an animation, which is showing you the whole design on the mug. Now you can see that the conversion is in green, which is really good. I'm using Everbee to give me all of this data. So do check out Everbee. The link is below. It's a 1-month-old listing already making sales. I can also go and hover to this other one on the side. And this is again converting at 7.69. It's making good sales already. It's also a very recent listing already selling well. Now, a big reason why these two are selling well is because they have a video. In fact, Etsy does say that if you have a video on your listing, then it will help convert better. So I'm going to show you how to create actually even better videos than the ones that you can see right now in front of you to showcase your designs. Now, remember, this is just an example of what you can do, but it's actually a game changer. So do check this out. Okay, so I'm going to be using Kittl to demonstrate how to create these fantastic mockups, these video mockups. So check it out. Look, I'm on Kittl. You can check out Kittl. You can try it for free. I got even 25% off all the plans if you use my code. But definitely do try it out. So I'm going to go to new project. Okay, so you can choose any artboard size you want. It doesn't really matter, but you can put the details of something specific if you want. I'm just going to make this 300 DPI, make sure the resolution is really good, and keep the orientation as standard and say create. Now I've got my artboard right now. This is how simple it is to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to get a design, let's say, that I've created already. Okay, so I'm going to actually, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to mockups, right? Because obviously it's mockups that I want. So I'll click mockups. You've got all these different types of mockups. Now in this case, I'm going to do a design for a mug. So I'm just going to click mug, right? Mug, because I want mug mockups, right? Then it's going to give me all the mug mockups on the system. Now, the great thing about Kittl is I can even create a mockup from scratch. So even if I wanted to, I can create a mockup from scratch. So I want to find a mug of somebody holding the mug in the hands. I want to go with this one. Now I can choose anyone I like. Okay, and this is it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a design. I'm going to put a design in here very quickly. So let me go to upload and get the design that I want to go on the mug. So I'm going to just go and choose one of the designs I've created, click this one, and then I'm going to put it in the sort of in the highlighted bit, which is telling me, right? So let me just minimize that, just make sure it sits nicely. Okay, now, okay, so I've got my design right now, which is here. Really cool, really fantastic. It looks brilliant, really, to be honest with you. Now, if I want to, I can also use the image itself. So I can take this image and use it as part of my listing as an image. But I really want to do a little video, so a little animation, slightly different to the ones I've seen, because I want it to be stand out from the crowd. And this is the difference, guys. Not only are you going to produce a video, but you should produce a video that's going to stand out and actually be different from the rest so that it catches people's eye. So click mockup at the top, and then I'm going to say add video board. So what I'm going to say is now I'm going to ask it to create a certain motion. Okay. So I'm going to say show the mug being drunk by the person holding it. I mean, what better way to showcase a mug than someone actually using it to drink, right? So show the mug being drunk by the person holding it, and I'm going to generate. Now, this is using a fantastic AI video generator called Kling. It will take about 2.5 minutes to produce, but honestly, that's amazing. Okay, so that's done now. Now I'm going to press play and see how it looks. Guys, that looks fantastic. Look at that, guys. That is amazing. Look at that. Right? Isn't that looks so good? That is what you call, and I can do anything. I can do anything with this. I can create any kind of video I want. You know, this is just an example of what you can do by a simple prompt, a very simple set of words, prompt using a great video model called Kling in Kittl, and literally it took 2 minutes to do. And this is what I'm saying. The power of AI, guys, is unbelievable. And then I can just put it up onto my Etsy listing, and this is going to stand out. I can even say zoom in further, maybe turn the mug the other way. I can do whatever I want. It's literally up to me. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. If you want to help your conversions, you want to increase your sales, you need to stand out from the other Etsy sellers. There are a lot of Etsy sellers out there, and you need to differentiate yourself by any means necessary. And this is a fantastic way of doing it. So not only can you have the still image mock-ups from Kittl, you can actually have the video created from it, and they work fantastically well. So, obviously I've got the original image here, right? So that can be there as well, a part of my sort of mock-ups. And then I've got the video which matches it perfectly. You don't need to pay for any filming. You don't need any kind of expensive video editing or anything like that. You just need Kittl, guys. So remember, do check out the link below to try it out, because it's absolutely phenomenal. Now, remember, you can do whatever you want. I can go further, right? I can go further with this. I can even say, so what I'm saying now is show the person pushing the mug towards the camera, right? This is going to be really cool. So again, it's just giving it a little bit more of that, I guess, something that will hopefully grab a customer's attention, right? So let's see how that looks. Okay, so it looks like it's ready. Let's just let's do this. Let's have a look and see. Let me just put this down. Click play. Look at that guy. And even the camera, like the lens, it just kind of, you can see that it clears up. That is phenomenal. Look at that. Actually, I like that a lot. Look at that. That looks amazing. The way it just moves forward. Guys, honestly, like, this is a game changer. Literally. This is an absolute game changer. Just look at that. I mean, I can't take my eyes off the mug moving the way it is. Like, that is an absolute fantastic creation. I mean, AI is literally, changing the landscape right before our eyes, guys. But you know what? You're going to have to use it to your advantage. So definitely get your mock-ups up to scratch, get the conversions increased, and yeah, get those Etsy sales. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out the link below. If you got any comment, drop it in there, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.